When people are considering what to feed cats, they often look at whether wet cat food or dry cat food will be best. The best cat food should not only provide the best nutrition, but it should also be easy for you to manage and be something your cat wants to eat. One of the key benefits of dry cat food is it is easy to store and simple to serve to your cat. It can happily sit in a bowl all day without spoiling. This allows your cat to lightly graze on it frequently, which is ideal for supporting healthy eating habits. When dry food is properly formulated, it also helps improve dental health by using a mild abrasive surface on the kibble to control tartar levels on your cat's teeth.